So, you've just signed up for a YouTrip card and you're itching to use it, right? But how long do you actually have to wait for it to arrive? Let's dive right in. YouTrip is a popular travel card that's quickly gaining traction among frequent travelers. It offers a convenient way to manage your finances while you're abroad, with features like multi-currency wallets and competitive exchange rates. But before you can start using it, you'll need to get your physical card. The wait time. Now, the burning question, how long does it take to receive your YouTrip card? Well, the answer isn't a one-size-fits-all. It can vary depending on a few factors, such as your location. If you're in a region where YouTrip has a strong presence, you might receive your card sooner. Postal service efficiency. The efficiency of your local postal service can also impact delivery times. Any unexpected delays, sometimes unforeseen circumstances like holidays or natural disasters, can cause delays. General timeline. Typically, you can expect to receive your YouTrip card within 7 to 14 business days after your application is approved. However, it's always a good idea to check with YouTrip directly for the most accurate estimate. Tracking your card. YouTrip often provides a tracking number with your order. This allows you to monitor the progress of your card's delivery. You can usually track your card's journey on the courier's website. What to do while you wait? While you wait for your physical card to arrive, you can still start using YouTrip. You can use the virtual card, which is available immediately after your application is approved. This virtual card can be used for online purchases and mobile payments. Tips for a smooth experience. Double-check your shipping address. Ensure that your shipping address is accurate and up-to-date. Stay updated. Keep an eye on your email for updates from YouTrip. Be patient. Remember, good things come to those who wait. So, there you have it. While the exact wait time for your YouTrip card can vary, it typically takes around 7 to 14 business days. By understanding the factors that influence delivery times and following these tips, you can ensure a smooth experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.